Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will see internal controls of latest high-end Baleno. So the one you are looking at the left, right, the one in white color, this was 2020 model. The other one in blue is latest 2023 model. There are many modifications made to the car when compared to the previous models in exterior and interior as well. As this is a top-end model, we have a keyless entry or a smart key. We'll learn about this particular smart key features in another video. Once you step into the car, place your key in the key fob, so it is right goes there, and then we have to press brake pedal and then click on start. So you can see that engine just got started.
Good evening, Jiva Eco Farm.
Once we start our car, we'll also get a welcome message. Once it loads completely, we can see 360 degrees view of the camera. This car has 5 cameras. So you can see here. So it shows us 360 degrees view. So left, right, the left there was a chair, and right there is another car, and back is clear. And also you can see my mobile automatically connected to the CarPlay of this particular infotainment system. So there is an auto CarPlay. Next we will see the controls. So here we have AC, off, auto, front and rear. These are pretty much normal controls which we will have in each and every latest cars. So here we can increase the fan and decrease it, and as well as AC. Okay, and next we pretty much concentrate on the steering wheel controls. Here we have volume increase and volume decrease and change in the channels. So if you are in FM, we don't need to always go to the infotainment system to change the channels. We can control pretty much here, and we can also mute it. Okay, and then during drive, right, you saw that already my phone is already connected, so I can pick the calls, cut the calls, and also like I can give voice commands from here. I'll show you few other important buttons here. So this is called cruise control. Yeah, even our Indian cars now got a cruise control. So if I click this button, you can observe in the screen here. So yeah, that was a cruise control icon which was displayed. I will just press again so that you can notice it clearly. So yeah, that one is the cruise control. So to set it, we just have to press down, and to reset it up. And also you can decrease the cruise control speed by clicking again to the down and increase it by the up. And there was a cancel button. I will tell you now how this cruise control will work as well. I can't show you demo now, but I can explain you how this works. Say that I want to set my cruise speed at 80. Say I am moving in a highway. So like once I reached 80 kilometers speed on my speedometer, so what I will do is like I will just click a set. Once I set the car speed at 80, I have to remove my leg from the accelerator, so the car will keep on moving at 80 speed. Say in the meanwhile, so if I press any brake or accelerator button, the cruise control will be automatically off. So it will goes on the actual speed which I am applying on my accelerator. So again, like again my way was very free, and I can move it again at 80 speed. So just I can click on reset. So again the car will start moving at 80 speed. We have few other controls here. So this one is head-up display. So we have to give a very long press to get our head-up display. So now I will do a long press. So whatever the controls like which we will see here, so we can able to see here, and we have few other controls here, like to increase the brightness of the head-up display. change the position of the display. This button is to view 360 degrees of your car. So I will give a press on that button. So then you can see here 360 degrees of view of your car. The next button to the view is like traction control. It helps us to have a better grip on the road. By default it is on, so if we don't want a grip on the road, we have to turn it off. And then we move it to the other one, an important feature for to have a great mileage efficiency. This kind of control is very helpful in city traffic. Say I stopped at a signal and my engine will be automatically off. So once I remove my leg from the brake pedal, engine will automatically starts. So then I can give my acceleration to move on. So this will help us to get a better mileage efficiency. And the other button here is like to increase and decrease the beam focus. So usually like in highways we'll be having 0, and in the cities like we can keep it to 2 to 3 or even 4 as well. The other buttons here on the right door like to control the OVRMs, left and right. So if I click on to the right and if I click this button, my right ORM will be automatically closed, and if I click it again, it will be open. So there are few other buttons which are very common. It's like central lock, central unlock, child control, all other window controls.